Welcome to Balakot. This is the main bazaar. It's a pretty small town, to be honest. And I'm definitely gonna change into my salvar knees now. Whee! I think that's my hotel over there, Balakot. Say assalamu alaikum to Karl Khan. This is my Patan kurta and I freaking love it. I just love this style. Looks cool, right? And it just helps me blend in out there, lets people steer. As much as the steering is friendly and all that, just helps me blend in. And the more remote you get, the more I would say you should blend in. It's hot, but this is so comfortable, so free-flowing, and it lets so much air in that you don't really feel hot out there. It's just, I don't know, probably the most comfortable thing you can wear, and I hope when you come to Pakistan, or even when you come to India, you can try a kurta and see how you like it, because I think they look absolutely cool. Chale, let's go out and let's explore Balakot a little, eh? And ideally, you should finish the look off with a pakol to fit in. But because it's summer, we will not be wearing this. No one is wearing it outside. It is far too hot. Are you guys getting how beautiful Balakot is? Can you hear that raging river? It's basically a small town on the side of a raging river with a couple of bridges that cross it. It's absolutely beautiful. And so Balakot is known because India conducted a strike up in the mountains behind me there. Somewhere up in the mountains behind me there. So that's what it became known for, Balakot. Now I'm going to show you the local food here. I'm going to show you something called Chapli Kebab, which, I don't know, that might be like the national dish here in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Let me show you. The hotel guys were actually eating food, dal and bread. They offered me some, but I said, no, I want to go out and have a chapli kebab because I'm here. And what I'm walking through is just a very, very normal bazaar. So you've got the fruit bazaar, you've got the meat bazaar, you've got the shoes bazaar, clothing bazaar, utensils bazaar, there's the meat bazaar, just really, really normal. Oh, the nuts bazaar, of course. People here love nuts and dates. I don't know, it's just like a beautiful, oh, sorry. I don't know what that guy was doing, he stood on my shoe. It's just a beautiful mountainside town. That's all. It's the only way I can describe it. And I'm just walking down to a Chapli Kebab store that I've been before and that I absolutely love. And here's the man himself. Assalamu alaikum ji, kaise aap? क्या आप मुझको याद आया?
हाँ बिल्कुल। एक साल पहले आए थे, एक साल पहले।
हाँ आपको मालूम है? वाह बहुत अच्छा है। और अभी वो chapli kebab बना रहे हैं। And so what a chapli kebab is, it's just like a hamburger patty, literally. But it's got a few more spices and sometimes a few vegetables here and there as well. And you can see them just squashing it down and pushing it into the oil. And there's the finished product over here. That's what I'm going to have right now. And I just need to show you underneath. So it's stoked by a wood fire and a flame in there. It's all cooked on wood. Everything always tastes better on wood. It's the same with American barbecue, and it's the same with Chapli Kebab here as well in Pakistan. And here's how he makes them. He just mixes them in his hand. He's put a bit of green chili in mine and a tomato in the middle there. Wow. Shabash, and he's made me an extra big one. Wow. Ji, ye kya hai? Ye kya hai? Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. This is heaven. So ye hai Kabuli pulao. And in these pots, we've got different dishes. So this is rajma or kidney beans. And you just have all different types of vegetarian dishes in here. And then he's making chai here as well. Look at that. Wow. So I absolutely love these kind of restaurants. Everything is made fresh every single day. And you can see the tea's made fresh right now. And these are being cooked right fresh. Oh ho, the newspaper fell in. Menedeka. Oh, there you are. And so the seating here, this is the seating. So you just have like normal seats here. Assalamu alaikum ji. And then at the back here, these are rooms for families and for women. So all the males will eat out here and the women have their own room. I'm going to eat right here where there's a bit of light. Kaam kar rahe hain? Oh wow, thank you bro. Wow.
और कोल्ड ड्रिंक वगैरह देनी?
हाँ नहीं, इसके बाद मैं चाय पीऊँगा. Thank you. Wow. Look at what we have, guys. Look at this. We've got a massive piece of naan. We've got, the Chapli Kebab with a chili and a couple of tomatoes on there. And now this is kind of a very watery chutney with all sorts of bits in here. You probably call it a raita, actually. We've got cucumber, tomato, I don't know what else, chili. And so eating it's very, very easy. Just grab your bread, rip a bit off, and Chapli Kebab, just break some off. It's basically a Kaiwa Pak Tung Kwa hamburger. And you can dip it in the sauce as well, just like that. And so I always eat on the street, and I don't really have a problem with it. Like as long as that's really cooked well, everything should be dead inside and I should be able to eat it. And that's the same with tea. And honestly, it just tastes like burger patty, but just slightly spicier. But it's not super spicy. The people in this region don't overspice their food. I really like it, and I think most foreigners would love it as well. During this trip, I've noticed a few changes here in Pakistan. Unfortunate changes. The country's definitely worse off than when I was here about 2 years ago. Right now, there's hyperinflation. The Pakistani rupee, I don't think, has ever been so worthless compared to the American dollar. There's a lot of political instability, like a lot. Oh, shukriya ji. Thank you. And what I like about Pakistani chai is they always make it strong, really strong. And you can tell the strength of a tea by its color. So it should be super, super brown. And so what else have I noticed? Power is super expensive right now. So people who can afford it are investing in solar. There's a shortage of American dollars. They're quite hard to get. They are all very happy to be taking my American dollars. And so all that has led to a much harder time for the common man here in Pakistan. That's what I've noticed. I've never seen scams here on the street until this trip. Gulberg Main Market 2, there's a gang of medical scammers. There's about 3 or 4 different people around the circle with their different medical stories and different medical receipts. And I spent a lot of time at Gulberg Main Market 2 and I'd never seen that until this trip. Also an increase in people just begging on the street, basically. There's a lot of that nowadays. And it's all because of this just instability in Pakistan. The friends that I have are trying to leave because you want to live in a stable country where the currency is stable, where things don't triple in price, for example. So yeah, it's very sad for the common man in Pakistan. Very, very sad. I'm just walking through the little lanes now, just checking out what Balakot has. Pretty standard stuff. See what I mean about beautiful? So we're here on the main road. There's a goat there. And up here we have the beautiful mountains. I love it here. Let's go for a quick tour down one of the lanes here. There's a chicken. He ain't gonna live long. Not around here. We've got a vegetable market here. We've got a pharmacy there. A little roadside restaurant called a Daba here. They'll serve different dishes. This guy, क्या बना रहे हैं? आप लोग क्या बना रहे हैं? Oh, roti. ये tandoor है. So this is like an oven, and they're gonna pull bread out of here amazingly. कैसे आप? Very good. In New Zealand. हाँ मैं घूम रहा हूँ बालाकोट में. बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर है. लोग अच्छे हैं, खाना अच्छे है. मैंने चपली कबाब खाया. ठीक है. Allah Hafiz. In there, oh, they're sewing. In here, they're cutting hairs. Assalamu alaikum. Another restaurant in here. Bits and pieces store. Egg store, they're selling ande. Oh, it's this guy. This is the chicken shop. This is the chicken shop. General store. Ice cream store. Yum. We've got another barber there. These guys are making bread. This is the sweet shop, making samosas and jalebi. We've got another tandoor here. More bread. People love bread here. People don't eat rice here, they eat bread. Ice cream shop, general goods and spices. We just come out down the end here, and let me just keep going. Let me show you through here. I really like Balakot. And so these guys are making more chapli kebab. Assalamu alaikum ji. And these guys are just sitting here on the side of the river eating chapli kebab. How wonderful is that? We got motorbikes coming across. And this bridge is swaying. There we go, beautiful Balakot. Look at that. It's raging, man. So that's Balakot, guys. I hope, like Abtabad, you realize that these places are more than just what the news say about them, nah? They're just two beautiful cities. Simple as that. Two beautiful hill stations or mountain towns. And I don't know, I love being here. Look at these. The goats are coming. Hello, brother. Hello, brother. Aye, aye. Oh, man. This epic journey continues in my first full-length travel film. It's free and you can watch it now.